Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove Evernote from your computer. Let's begin. Removing the Evernote application to your PC is quite simple, especially if you find that Evernote consumes significant system resources, leading to a slower performance, especially if your account contains a large amount of data or notes, or if you find that Evernote no longer meets your needs, such as insufficient organization features, or maybe, you just want to switch to a different note-taking app. Now, all you're gonna do is you might want to close all the application first and back up all the data before you decided to remove the Evernote from your PC. All right, and then once you do that, I want you to go to the search bar here at the bottom and click the control panel. What will happen is it would be forwarded here, and I want you to click the uninstall program. Right now, on the control panel, you see I have the Evernote there, and all I have to do is right click on it. There should be an option that says uninstall. All right, what will happen is there should be a small pop-up window that will appear, and it says you want to uninstall the Evernote, which is obviously what we're going to do. Click the OK button. All right, and there you go. All right, once you have removed that, you should be able to remove the Evernote desktop application without any problem. All right, especially if Evernote takes up too much disk space. If you have so many attachments or notes, you might want to remove it for free storage share on PC. Now, you may notice that I am using the Evernote on web computer, or the web version, so it's that simple. Now, if you wanted to decided to say, for example, re-download the Evernote desktop application on your computer, all I have to do is go to the Evernote download page. As you can see, you have this multiple option. Click the download for Windows if you want it again to re-download and follow the on-screen instructions to install, or click the download for Mac. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.